Most people look at a structure and see the walls, the paint, and the surface. A technician looks at the same structure and sees the systems. They see the flow of energy, the pressure of the pipes, and the integrity of the frame. The soul is no different. You are a complex architecture of frequencies, habits, and beliefs. But most of you are living in a state of deferred maintenance. You are trying to host a high-frequency spirit in a vessel that is leaking, cracked, and filled with the lead of the past. You cannot put a new roof on a rotten frame. In Phase 1, the Purge, we focused on repair. We identified the catastrophic failures. We cut out the rot. We stopped the leaks. But as we move into Phase 2, the Albedo, the work shifts. Maintenance is not about fixing what is broken. It is about protecting what is pure. It is the daily, disciplined calibration of your internal systems to ensure that when the gold finally arrives, the vessel can actually hold the weight. Most people fail because they wait for a breakdown to start the work. A sovereign starts the work before the first drop of pressure falls. Hit the subscribe button for more. Think of your thoughts as the fluid in your system. If the fluid is contaminated with gossip, fear, or lack mentality, the entire system eventually erodes from the inside out. You can have the strongest foundation in the world, but if your internal plumbing is carrying poison, the structure will fail. In the Albedo, we perform a frequency flush. We audit every circuit. We check the seals on our boundaries. We ensure that every input, every song, every word, every image is compatible with the high-pressure environment we are building. If it isn't gold, it's a contaminant. And contaminants are the enemies of maintenance. Maintenance is the highest form of self-respect. It is the silent daily decree that your vessel is worth preserving. The structural check. Are your boundaries still holding, or have you let the lead back in? The pressure audit. Is your energy directed toward your vision, or is it leaking into other people's drama? The lubrication of silence. Are you giving your system the stillness it needs to function, or are you running hot on the friction of the world? This is the work of the alchemist. We do not wait for the sun to rise to start the day. We maintain the light within until the world catches up. You are not a project to be finished. You are a system to be maintained. The refinement is constant. The precision is mandatory. Stay in the system. Stay in the Albedo. This is Healchemy. Like, share, and subscribe.